Staring at a pile of uninspiring, generic building blocks that fail to capture the imagination, or struggling to find a truly immersive centerpiece that bridges the gap between creative building and iconic fandom, is an absolute nightmare that leaves Star Wars fans and collectors feeling thoroughly uninspired. Standard brick sets often lack internal playability or compromise on movie-accurate external detailing, turning what should be a legendary build into a flat, underwhelming display piece. The LEGO Star Wars Imperial Star Destroyer 75,394 completely rescues you from boring builds and empty shelf space, functioning as a high-velocity, multi-configurable galactic workstation engineered to bring the menacing power of the Empire straight into your living room. Don't let its highly detailed, smooth armored exterior fool you. This starship is built for both imposing shelf presence and heavy-duty, hands-on galactic storytelling. What truly establishes its absolute bragging rights is the hidden, fold-out carry handle seamlessly integrated into the bridge superstructure. This game-changing structural engineering allows builders of all ages to lift and fly the massive cruiser through the room without any fear of the armor plating snapping off or collapsing under its own weight. Engineered to offer an uncompromised dual experience for collectors and young fans alike, the 1,555-piece model features a fully accessible interior command matrix. By lifting off the top hull panels, you instantly reveal an intricately detailed command bridge complete with chairs for the crew, a radar station, a break room for the troopers, and a storage crate compartment for thermal detonators. To defend your sector from rebel scum, the ship mounts a series of spring-loaded laser shooters embedded along the hull flanking panels, which pivot smoothly to lock onto targets. The absolute crown jewel for collectors, however, is the premier character lineup. Alongside iconic heavyweights like Darth Vader, an Imperial officer, and a crew of troopers, this set includes an exclusive 25th anniversary Cal Kestis minifigure complete with a specialized display stand. It is the ultimate, stress-free gift and display upgrade for passionate collectors, young Jedi, and Star Wars purists who demand uncompromised accuracy, elite build mechanics, and legendary minifigure exclusivity. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price. Drop a comment letting me know if you're building this Imperial Star Destroyer to anchor your ultimate LEGO display shelf or to stage epic galactic battles. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more LEGO Star Wars sets, brick builds, and premium tech breakdowns, and I will see you in the next video.